friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends, we are going to talk about how can this stop talkback in our Infinix phone. Guys, you want to off guys this talkback setting, so then how can you stop this talkback setting? In this video I will show you guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like my video. So friends, now let's see how to stop talkback in our Infinix mobile. So you have one by mistake your talkback setting, and guys now you want to stop. So then how can you stop? So when don't worry, you will stop your talkback setting. And first of all, you will have to scroll your screen with your two fingers, and guys you can see phone settings. So guys click on phone setting and guys double tap. Then guys you can see your one finger will not work, so you will have to use your two finger. Then guys you can see we can use our phone. So we will scroll. A special function guys, click on one finger tap, wait, double tap. Accessibility setting is tap here and double tap. Friends, click on talkback setting, double tap. Use talkback setting as tap here, double tap. Stop. Guys, you want to stop talkback and you can stop from here guys. We will, so as your talkback will stop in your Infinix phone, so you can use your phone without any talkback problem. So like that guys, you can stop your talkback settings. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. We will meet on next video. Bye bye friends.